Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you a new version of my toolbox. So, first off, I got my Icon screwdrivers. My Icon screwdrivers. Magnetic. Back there, breaker bar, half-inch breaker bar, half-inch breaker bar. These are for my oil frame. Now back here, these are cobalt holders. Got my Torx, and here, OEM nut organizers. Socket organizers, half-inch metric, half-inch SAE, 3/8 inch SAE, half-inch SAE, 3/8 inch SAE. We got my half-inch back there. Got some adapters, got some extensions, another extension, got some more extensions. Got my nut driver over here. Got me right here. Got me a central 10mm set. That thing comes in handy. You need it. Got my nut drivers, got all my adapters, metric and impact and chrome. Next here, this thing right here, got an Icon quarter, snap-on quarter, Craftsman 3/8, DeWalt half, and my Milwaukee M12 1.5 3/8 ratchet. In this door, I got my precision set, my Icon SAE ball end, got my cobalt SAE inches. Charger for this Milwaukee box cutter. There. Here. For bits. Battery powered Warrior screwdriver. It's not that great. And this one, I got some stubby metric Icon 19 inches. Got some donut inches, metric, Craftsman. Now, the big part. But first, got my Icon snap ring pliers, spark plug, gap tool. I don't need that, but I got it. Black light. Picks, screwdriver, pin, blockers, first cut pliers, some first cut pliers, and cutters, hybrid pliers, and like that, wire strippers, welfare wrench, scissors. He's got now for the big stuff. Got me a tire pressure gauge. Now these are Milwaukee metric ratchets 8/22. Over here I got my Milwaukee SAE wrenches quarter to 1. And right here, odds and ends, flashlight, and 12, fiber, hammer, adjustable wrench, dead blow, I might do watt stuff. Thought about getting some shockwave stuff. Got some Raby stuff. And down here, I got my split beam, wrench, got a pump, got my hard hat, got my impact, half impact, got my drills. Over here, I got this thing right here. This is a cobalt workbench. This is my brick kit. And over here, I got some odds and ends wrenches. Got him to back drill. Got a little paint marker. Got another DeWalt drill. Another Milwaukee drill. Some accessories, quality time. Got some odds and ends here. Got mine over there. Got my multimeter, GFI tester, and all that. You got my OEM Torx and TPs and star bits over there. Not really into that kind of stuff yet. So really, that's all really for that all. Got these were here. And here is the best, but I got my impact sockets. Shallow, quarter, half a minute. SAE. Let's see. Here we got a bit organizer. This thing right here. It's like a magnetic tool holder. I'm gonna put this right here. Put it right there. That's too bright. So I put that right here. This. Oh man. So yeah, that's about it. I could do a video on my, testing out, another video on testing out this. I like that thing. And testing out these babies. Like these. And I can do a test on these cobalt impact grade adapters. Now, if you're wondering about what kind of adapters you should use on impact, never use these on impact. Never use these or these on impact, because these right here can shatter, but these right here will not shatter. They will split, but they will never shatter. Unlike your chrome ones. Chrome is always used for ratchets. Chrome is always used for ratchets. Now I'm gonna probably say to use impact blade on these for now, because it's powerful. It's more powerful than traditional hand ratchets. But never use these. Never use especially with these right here. These joint ones. These joint things. Never use these, especially on impacts. They can go into itself. Now, when you got those, I don't have any right now, but there's ones that are called, you know, a ball swivel. Those are okay. Those are okay. But they're usually impact grade. Now, when you're looking at sockets, sometimes it may be black, but it might not be impact grade. It will say impact grade. Like these down here, like these, when I bought these, it said impact grade. But these down here, well, sharp, see right here. For these sockets particularly, half-inch, half-inch drive, shower well, SAE, socket set, shower well, impact grade right here. See, impact grade right here. So it will tell you if it's impact grade or not. Usually that's what it will tell you, the impact. Now, from here, over here I got my brake cleaner, some gloves, some WD-40, got my table, got some safety glasses. When we put together my workbench and my cart, I have this stuff left over. I bought that at Home Freight. This is a nice little drawer, and I like this thing. I've had pretty good deals on them from, you know, saving a couple, $20 to saving over $30. It really depends. You gotta look for that. Oh, back here, I got my Klein.